What's up, guys? Today's question is straight to the point. Can a phone costing under $750 actually destroy a $1,200 flagship? Sounds impossible, right? Well, buckle up, because the game is about to change. We just got our hands on some mind-blowing spec leaks for a device that completely blew my mind. This isn't just an upgrade, it's an absolute revolution. Enter the Nokia Eve Max 5G. Hold on, we're just getting started. Imagine a camera that makes your DSLR look like a toy. 300 megapixels. Yeah, you heard that right. We're talking details so crisp you could zoom in and count the wings on a bug. And power. A monster 8000 mAh battery. You can officially throw away your power banks, even if you're going completely off the grid in the Grand Canyon. In today's video, we're breaking down everything you need to know about this absolute beast of a phone. Let's dive right in. The display. First up, let's talk about what you'll be staring at all day, the display. This is no ordinary screen. Nokia is reportedly packing a massive 6.9-inch QHD plus LTPO Super AMOLED display. The colors are going to pop so hard you'll feel like you're sitting on a Hollywood movie set. And scrolling, with a 120Hz refresh rate, it's going to be buttery smooth. Plus, this phone won't bail on you in the rain. With IP68 water resistance and Gorilla Glass 6, it's built like an absolute tank. The camera setup. Now, let's talk about the weapon that puts this phone in a league of its own, the camera setup. You're getting a 300 megapixel main sensor. No, that's not a typo. The resolution is so insane that you could zoom into a photo, and literally see the feathers on a bird sitting on a distant mountain. Backing that up is a 50 megapixel ultra-wide lens to fit the whole squad in the frame, and an 8 megapixel macro lens. For all you selfie lovers, there's a 50 megapixel front shooter to keep your Instagram and TikTok game on point. Oh, and videography, 8K recording, baby. You can literally shoot cinematic, YouTube-ready videos right from your pocket. Performance. What kind of engine do you need to run a camera setup this crazy? Take a guess. The beating heart of this device is rumored to be one of the most powerful processors on the planet, the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5. Pair that brain with 12 GB of RAM, and multitasking will happen in the blink of an eye. Heavy gaming. This phone won't even break a sweat. On the software side, you're getting a pure, bloatware-free Android 16 experience. Nothing extra, just raw, unadulterated speed. Battery backup. Now for the ultimate flex. Have you ever imagined your phone lasting 2 to 3 days on a single charge? The Eve Max 5G packs a mammoth 8000 mAh battery. That's not just a big number, it's a monster. Whether you're gaming all day or shooting endless reels, this phone won't just survive, it'll thrive. And when it is finally time to plug in, 100-watt fast charging will juice it up from 0 to 100% in just 25 to 30 minutes. Basically, take a quick coffee break, and your phone is ready for the entire day. Price and launch date. Alright, the million-dollar question. When can you get your hands on this, and how much is it going to cost? According to our close sources, Nokia might drop this bomb around mid-2026. And the price? Get this, it's expected to come in at around $750. So, is this phone really going to overthrow the current flagships? Is Nokia's Eve going to completely shift the market? I'm telling you right now, if this phone drops with these exact specs, the competition is going to lose a lot of sleep. What do you guys think? Would you drop $750 on a 300 megapixel camera, and an 8000 mAh battery phone? Let me know down in the comments below.